Today I'm with Dothan Attorney Terry Bullard. Mr. Bullard, I understand that you represent Aaron Dodson. If you would, tell me a little bit about the case and what's going on, or what you can say.
Well, Rick, I can't discuss the facts of the case. I noticed in the newspaper this morning the sheriff had gone into great detail, but this is the fact that I can tell you about. This is an 18-year-old boy who his whole dream is to be a Marine. He had an outstanding speeding ticket warrant from the city. His license was suspended, was expired because he didn't renew his license, or he didn't take care of the situation of the city. He went through a road stop, and the deputies stopped him. He panicked. He had no criminal intent. But let me tell you what aggravates me. They added 2 additional warrants today of attempted murder. There's 4 warrants for attempted murder. And you're not going to believe that $500,000 bond for each one. We had a bond reduction here today in front of Judge Lewis, and I was disappointed that they did not reduce the bond. We have filed a writ of habeas corpus today, and according to Rule 7.2b of the Alabama Rules of Criminal Procedure, the Supreme Court has recommended, and this is a schedule I'll go down, if it's a capital murder case, a $50,000 bond to no bond. A murder case is $15,000 to $75,000. A Class A felony, which these are, the recommendation is $10,000 to $60,000. So two $500,000 bonds is $2 million. That's equivalent to no bond. Nobody can make that. So we have filed a writ of habeas corpus to the Circuit Court of Houston County, asking the bond be set according to the recommendation of the Supreme Court, anywhere from $10,000 to $60,000.
The judges and the district attorney try to use bonds oftentimes as punishment for the crime. What is the reason behind a bond?
A bond is simply to assure that the client will be in jail when it's supposed to be. We have 3.
I mean, be in court.
Mid-court, I'm sorry. There's 3 elements we have to show that he would not likely commit any more crime, but he has no record whatsoever, Mr. Dodson does. That he would not intimidate witness. Well, these are police officers. He's not going to do that. And it has ties to the community. There's over 200 members of family members that will be in court to support this young man. I don't think the judges use it, but I think Mr. Valesca certainly uses it as punishment, setting the bond ridiculously high. No bondsman here can make it. Individuals can't make that kind of bond. It's equivalent to no bond. And I think surely that one of the circuit judges will use his good judgment and reduce this to somewhere in the realm of the schedule recommended by the Supreme Court.
The only thing people know about the case so far is that Mr. Dodson and the sheriff's office got into some incident and Mr. Dodson was shot. Tell me a little bit about Mr. Dodson.
He's 18 years old. He has his GED. He's applied to join the Marines, but they require him to have 15 additional hours in college. He's enrolled. It's supposed to have ended June 1st. His mother's already paid the fee to enroll in Wallace, and as soon as he got those, he's going to the Marines. What he did in this case, he simply panicked. Didn't want to disappoint his mother. He did not take care of the warrants. He knew he should have. He simply panicked. He didn't mean to hurt anybody. He is so remorseful. He's the most remorseful young man I've ever seen in my life. I hope ultimately we can get him so he can join the Marines.
Thank you.